Come test drive the 2024 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.